Morning guys, Zach back here at Gavins Point Rec. Today we're going to take a look at our sandpiper lineup of fifth wheels. Standing here on our 3800 RK sandpiper fifth wheel this morning. Nice lovely rear kitchen with all the space you might need for cooking up breakfast in the mornings. Passing the desk here as we come into your open living space. 50-inch flat screen smart TV, 40,000 BTU ducted furnace in this unit. Right up here behind door number 1, we've got your full-size laundry room. Moving along here into the bedroom, we've got a king-size bed and a massive storage and countertop. Put your nice little 50-inch TV up here for bedtime watching as well. Along up here, we've got a dual vanity bathroom here. Nice, lovely, full-size shower. And lastly, behind these, full-size walk-in bathroom closet.